Welcome back to Harris Family Adventures. Join us today for a complete walking tour of the Costa Maya Cruise Port in Mahahual, Mexico. This video covers everything you can explore right inside the port area. Shops, restaurants, scenic pathways, live entertainment, and the huge pool complex. If you're staying in the port for your visit, this video shows exactly what's available and how to get around. Wow, what a beautiful day this is with the sun out. The colors here really pop. Okay, let's do a quick walk of the port. Get off your ship. You're gonna go through your typical port store. Costa Maya's cruise terminal sits just off the town of Mahahual, Mexico. Let's go check this out. This port opened originally in 2001. But in 2007, it was hit by a Hurricane Dean and then rebuilt and then reopened in 2008. We're just going to do a quick walk around the whole port. Show you what we got. Your first store here. Okay, you know you're at a port. We have a Diamonds International. It's a really nice port. It's got a lot of shopping, good shopping here. This is called the Dance of the Flyers. Performers climb to the top, attach themselves to ropes, and then fly down as they're unwinding the ropes, descending in a spiral motion. My observation is they do this several times an hour. One of the funny things today was when we got there, we saw them performing this for one of the first times of the day. And one of the performers, as he was spinning around, a mint fell out of his pocket. These shops really, they do not negotiate prices. Most stores are marked in US dollars. But a few of the stores we found had pesos, so you had to have them converted. Always have them check a couple items and make sure they're converting it correctly. Nice third style, sir. It's pretty crowded right now.
Pretty good.
Some more stores, drugstores. This is a pretty port. Del Sol. They get pretty aggressive at these stores. Always wanting to give you something to get you into the store. We saw some people using credit cards. I definitely would recommend using like an Apple Pay or Samsung Pay and not your regular credit card. But cash is the best. It's beautiful. A lot of stores. They have a pool here as well. To get into the pool, I believe they are used to use the beach over here. They want you to purchase a drink to sit in one of the chairs, but anybody can get in the pool. I don't think I would get in that pool. Would you get in that pool? Comment and let me know if you would get in this pool. I don't know. Okay, so we got another bar right there. Here's the seats. Yeah, you just got to buy yourself a drink. Oh, there's some restrooms right over here. Yep, and more stores. Plenty of shopping at this port. We will post another video of us shopping in these stores. Beautiful. Check that out. There's the ships in the background. More stores. Walking on sand here. More shops. Come over here.
They don't like you.
They had some pass-through shops too. Like this is an ice cream shop. Flamingos. Check these out. The beautiful birds. I think they have a bird sanctuary here too you can pay for. We're gonna keep going here. Let's see what else we got over this side. I think we're gonna have to go through this passage here.
Unless it's the same pool.
Let's go through this passage. I think this is the way to go to find your way to the taxis. It's a busy day today. We have 3 ships in port with us. Fine. Some more stores over here. They used to have a swimming with the dolphins, but that is closed down. The last time we visited this port this year, we did see people swimming with the dolphins. From what I researched, it looks like in 2025, Mexico passed stronger regulations regarding its general wildlife laws. These rules ban certain high-impact interactions with captive dolphins, like dorsal tows, boogie board rides, holding on to fins, or more acrobatic stunts. This is one of my favorite areas. I like the ceiling, the growth in the ceilings.
So we started.
Just a beautiful day today. Let's keep walking and see if we can find the taxis. Okay, there's a sign for the taxis. Here's another restaurant. Okay, here we go. You get your feet done there with the fish. Okay, these guys are fun.
Hello, mister. Do you want a hot, mister? I got t-shirts, dry fit.
Listen to this. These guys are going to be hilarious.
What you looking for?
Oh, nothing.
I got nothing to add. $1.
They're great. We bought a soda in there for $4, a Coca-Cola, and then a water for $3. Okay, so we're coming to the taxis area.
To the beach, guys! $5 to the beach! Para la playa!
What about
Last time we went outside of the port and got a taxi, I think it was $4 each way to Mahahual Beach, or just say Crazy Lobster and they'll take you right there. Okay, let's keep walking.
we're part of the crew in one of them. Whatever you guys want to do. What's your name?
Drugstore. Let's walk around this way. That's probably one of my favorite ports. It's just very nice, very clean. Let's see what else we can find here. We're gonna have to cut through the sand. I read recently that in October of 2024, Royal Caribbean announced it would acquire Costa Maya and surrounding land to create Perfect Day Mexico, a private destination. Keep walking. It also stated that Carnival has significantly reduced its Costa Maya calls starting October 2026. Even after the acquisition, other cruise lines will still be allowed to dock at the port. The restroom right there. Okay, we went through this way already, but we're gonna walk it back. This time we're gonna cut through here. Check out the ice cream. I believe this is actually gelato.
I might as well get it.
We're gonna walk around the other side of this. Previously, we took a taxi cab to Mahahual, which has stores similar to all this, but they do a lot of hassling, but they do negotiate prices with you. These prices here are all fixed. Here's the other side of the pool. Cut through here. Yeah, they used to do dolphins here. Okay, let's keep walking. I don't know, would you swim in this pool? Look at that. Sorry. I don't know. A lot of people in that pool. What do you think of this port? This is my second time here. Very nice. Not sure if the bird sanctuary is open. I haven't seen anybody walking up there. Looks like they've been doing a lot of maintenance. It's a pretty area. If you want to get a massage, there's the area for massages. Here's the flag. So check out this view here. This is our ship right here, the World America. Little swim up bar. Nice area. Like those guys are up there all the time. So what do you think about this port? Is this a port you'd like to go to? My answer is yes. That wraps up our Costa Maya port walking tour. We hope this gives you a clear look at what you can explore right off the ship. Thank you for watching Harris Family Adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next journey.